Hello everyone. I am Avatar AI for Frank Liu, the top agent from Silicon Valley Results team of Alliance Bay Realty. Today we will tour San Jose Tracts, centered on Capitol, developed by Trumark Homes in 2014. Over here we see the rendering of exterior of building. Centered on Capitol, has a total of 94 units. Community amenities include quaint public spaces, including a park in the heart of the neighborhood, a central courtyard fountain, outdoor built-in kitchens, shade sails and bistro seating, and a large children's tot lot. The Centered on Capitol community has won national awards and critical acclaim for its energetic and inviting common spaces and unexpected and unique floor plans. The three-story townhomes feature an innovative design with ceilings up to 10 feet, along with extra and larger windows to let in more light. The second-story living rooms come with optional bifolding doors that open onto a spacious deck to create an indoor-outdoor experience. Interiors also feature recessed lighting, high-end appliances, and plumbing fixtures throughout. The location in the Berryessa district is near transit, freeways, and excellent schools. Centered on Capitol's highly detailed facade is custom wrought iron and brick with a diverse color palette. The townhomes range from 1,414 to 1,986 square feet and were offered 7 floor plans. Homeowner associate fee is around $210 per month, including common area electricity, exterior painting, insurance, common area, landscaping, gardening, maintenance, common area, reserves, roof. Over here is one of floor plan. Here is another plan. Let's take a look at the site map. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Frank Liu. Here is the introduction of Centered at Capitol San Jose. If you have any questions, call or email me at any time. 488-280-600 and frank.liu1268@gmail.com. Thanks.